If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. No one realizes how beautiful it is to travel until we come home and rest our head on our old familiar pillow. The thrill of coming home has never changed. Hello from Mumbai to our DesignCafe family. I'm Ananya Jois, your interior architect, here to take you through a very special home tour. Why special, you ask? Well, this home was designed for a young couple in the creative industry. And it is very true what they say, that people's personality is always reflected in their homes. Because this home is colorful, contemporary and full of creativity. Siddarth and Reema came to DesignCafe even before they finalized the deal on their 2BHK at Vasant Oasis, Andheri, Mumbai. Because they knew what difference well-designed interiors can make for a home. I'll show you more about this home, but before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to not miss an update. The couple wanted a boho, contemporary, nature meets indoor sort of a vibe for their living room. Can you quickly pause the screen and go to the comment section below and possibly guess how many plants does this home have? 10, 20, well, 50 to be precise. Siddarth being a director, producer and the host of Bombay Journey, and Reema being a journalist for Times of India and a social media marketeer, they're both avid plant lovers and homebodies who love to stay at home. They've made the space a cozy and comfortable nook. The TV unit here with suspended ledges is the perfect example of a Bohemian themed TV unit. The entire wall is turned to a feature wall just like this. There's nothing like a bright accent color to add life to a room. The couple very initially told us that they didn't want something generic for their home, but they did know what they wanted, but not the exact theme. And that's how we ended up with this truly eclectic home with a pop of color here and a few ledges there. Design tip of the day. If you want to highlight or even add life to an existing space in your home, you can always add a bright patch of color like we've done here. This will instantly give a designer home sort of a feeling with least amount of effort or money spent. Siddarth and Reema loves to cook, so the kitchen was very important for them. They had this liking towards Art Deco, and also to bring about this old Mumbai charm, we suggested Gluco finish for their shutters. I don't think anybody could have guessed that a pastel pista green kitchen can look this dreamy. This panel kitchen is fully loaded with lots of accessories to make the cooking all the more easy. And they even proudly said that they've used the 20% extra space concept of DesignCafe to its fullest. A pastel haven, this master bedroom is done in a very unique color combination that we don't usually see. Now, Siddarth also loves to travel and is a photography enthusiast, so he wanted some sort of a space for him to display all his travel souvenirs, artifacts and decor items. For that, we created this display setup bang in the middle of their entire master bedroom wardrobe. Hit like if you love this feature. Now the Bohemian contemporary style has been continued even for this room in the form of these rafters on the wall and ledges on this wall. Hit like if you love how this entire wall has been turned into a feature wall with all of their personalized moments. The guest bedroom here has been turned into a multifunctional room by giving this Murphy bed, which can easily open up into a queen-size bed when there are guests around. Now, when it has been closed, this space can be used as a home office or a study. Now, Reema happens to be an avid reader, so we had to make room for the 1,000 books that you can see here. So this industrial sort of bookshelf was the perfect thing for this space. We've come to the very end of this eclectic home tour, done in an elegant yet creative manner. The burst of colors throughout the home was my personal favorite. Do let us know in the comment section below what you enjoyed the most. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more such home tours. If you're looking for home interiors, you can always find the link in the description box below. Until next time, take care. See you all.